IT on the behalf of the Department of Lifelong Learning. In this video, we're going to look at how students will submit an assignment through Moodle. The two main methods of submitting assignments in Moodle are through Turnitin and Dropbox. In this video, we're going to look at how students submit an assignment through Dropbox. The first thing you need to look for is the Dropbox icon, which is a hand holding a piece of paper. As we can see it here, I'm going to click on it once. Now that I've clicked on it once, I've been brought into the submission area. The first thing we can notice is we've got some information here about what the lecturer wants when they're looking at the assignment. We can see if we've already made an attempt to submit the assignment. Has any grade been attached to it? When the due date of it is? And how much time I have left remaining. Finally, down here, we can see the option to add a submission. We're going to click on this now. Now that I've been brought to the Add Submission page, the first thing you'll notice is that you're being asked to click this button here, whether you have understood and read the AIT policy on plagiarism. It's up to the student to have done so, and access to the policy on plagiarism can be found by clicking here. Underneath the icon for the AIT policy on plagiarism, we can see this is where you are going to be submitting your file. There are two main methods of submitting a file: using drag and drop and clicking on the file through Upload Picker. We're going to first use the drag and drop item. The first thing you need to do is find a folder where you're keeping the file, like so. We're going to use our mouse, left click once in the file, drag it over to the area where it now is changed to say drop files here to upload, and let go of the left mouse. Now that we've done so, the file has now been attached to the folder. Remember, at this stage you have not yet saved the file. The alternative method is to use Upload Finder. We're going to click on this file once. We're going to choose to delete it. It's going to ask me, am I sure that I want to get rid of it? And I'm going to click OK. Now the alternative method is to double left click in this area, and we've now been brought to File Picker. I'm going to go over here to the right box, and I'm going to choose the option Choose File. This has now brought me to my documents again, and if I scroll down here, I can find the same file I was looking for. I'm going to double left click on it, and now it says here the plagiarism document has been chosen. I'm now going to choose the button here, Upload File, and we've now been brought to the same situation we were in when we dragged and dropped. Now that I'm happy that this is the file I want to submit, I'm going to click on the option Save Changes. We've now been brought to the page we were on previously, where we can now see the submission status now has a green box where it says Submitted for Grading. If I want, I can go down to the file here, I can click on it and make sure the file is the one I wanted and it has all the information I need. If you're uncertain that that's the right file you want to do, you can choose to remove the submission, or you can choose to edit the submission and put in a new document. With this, you now know how to submit a file on Moodle. Thank you.